Hello everyone. Welcome to Center for Future Technology. I am Dr. Neeta and I have been teaching from past 14 years. Today we will discuss big data. Topics to be covered are: what is big data and necessity of big data in the industry, importance of big data, benefits of massive data analyticals, technology of big data analyticals, artificial learning, developing statistics, consumer manufacturing, obtaining asset performance and efficiency gain, improving production processes and provide chains, making product customization feasible, manufacturing's big data toolkit, big data analytical tools, bottom line on big data. What is big data and necessity of big data in the industry? Big data is a term that describes the massive volume of knowledge, both structured and unstructured, that signifies our business on a day-to-day basis, but isn't not the quantity of knowledge. Big data are often analyzed for insights that cause better decision and strategic business moves. What is big data and necessity of big data in the industry? Big data has come up with what are mentioned because of ways of massive data. The foundational three are volume, velocity and variety. Volume. The number of data is immense. According to sources in our day, 2.3 trillion gigabytes of latest data is created. Velocity, the speed of data and processing. Analysis of streaming data to provide near or real-time results. Big data and its necessity. Variety. Variety in big data refers to all the structured and unstructured data that has the possibility of getting generated either by humans or by machines. The most commonly added data are structured: text, tweets, pictures and videos. The concept of massive data has been around for years. Most organizations now understand that if they capture all the data that streams into their businesses, they were going to apply analyticals and acquire significant value from it. When an organization has TBs of data, terabytes of data, even months, it's necessary for them to research that data and acquire desired result from it. But working on such a huge amount of data is not possible with ordinary tools. However, if some knows how to get to work on those simple tools, it would take day to urge accurate result. It is used for web development, software development, mathematics and system scripting. Big data and its necessity. Big data tools are used to handle that data and acquire accurate results in a quick period of time. According to Gartner, big data is a high volume, high velocity and high variety information. It sets that demand cost effective, innovative information of science for enhanced insight. Big data from Wikipedia. Big data is a broad term for data set. It is so large or complex that they are difficult to process using traditional data processing application. Challenges include analysis, capture, search, sharing, storage, transfer, visualization and information privacy. In big data, a revolution author Victor Meyer offered no regressive definition of big data but offer insight as to why the size does matter. Importance of big data. The big data examination is undoubtedly a revolution within the field of data technology. The utilization of knowledge analyticals by the businesses is enhancing per annum. Huge data involves the utilization of investigation method like machine learning, data processing, tongue processing and insights. With the assistance of massive data, various operations are often performed at one platform. Information is removed. Arrange the blended to supply analysis for the organizations, huge ventures and global associations utilize these methods generally in a few different ways. Importance of big data. The three main resources, the three main reasons that why big data is so important and efficient. Cost reduction, new product and services, real-time benefits of massive data analyticals. Importance of big data. The use of massive data analyticals is extremely flexible. With the utilization of massive data, there has been a huge growth in numerous industries. A number of them are banking, technology, consumer, manufacturing. Benefits of massive data analyticals. Banking sector. Huge knowledge tools are related to their system. Multiple operations are performed on transactional knowledge tools like Apache Hive, which facilitate user to question on their data to urge leads to a really short period of it. A user will optimize the question engine to urge better question performance. The usability of massive data is additionally increased in instructive segment. These are our new alternatives for examination and investigation, utilizing information examination. Technology of big data analyticals. Big data analyticals, also as artificial intelligence, has truly shown its importance in today's business activity. Corporations and business sector are arising which their produces of data analyticals because the aggressive landscape modification. Maximum agencies are still doing descriptive analyticals and their use of analytical is characteristics unique. Technology of big data analyticals. The main organizations were also far more likely to possess some kind of cross-intentional examination in regions empowered by a standard framework that permits collaboration and measurements sharing. These pass down to each Cs permit agencies to acknowledge the impact of cross-helpful element comprising of gracefully chain impacts. Artificial learning. AI take analyticals to new ranges, deciding previously undiscovered patterns which may have profound outcomes on a billboard enterprise, consisting of identifying new products, opportunities or hidden dangers. Machine intelligence is already constructed into predictive and prescriptive analytical equipment, dashing insight and enabling the analysis of well-sized probabilistics and probabilities to work out the best route of movement or first-rate set of alternatives. Artificial learning. Simulated intelligence and device learning society take examination on new ranges, deciding previously unfamiliar patterns which may have significant result on our billboard enterprise, comprising of recognizing new item opening risk. Machine learning is now developed into predictive and prescriptive examination hardware, running experiences and empowering the investigation to all around estimated probabilities to work out the best route of development. Artificial learning, administration and security. Groups are enhancing their data with third festival records to advance their tasks complete of adjusting valuable asset degrees based at the normal degree of utilizations. They were also offering insights to clients and sidekicks who require administration and a focus of safety to scale back information abuse and misuse. Protection is popping into an expanding number of the perplexing as more biological systems of records. Investigations and calculations interface with each other. Developing statistics. Creating statistics fits volume are growing exponentially as agencies hook up with statistics outside their inverse structures and mess IoT's gadgets into their product offerings and tasks. Gatherings consolidating, not contraption into their venture. Produces are both adding and instructive component to a substantial items they produce or including Sansu based absolute data to their current corpus of measurements. Consumer. When many of us consider big information, they consider the way of government and retailers assemble customer data for advertising in public security. Reasons. Public security reason. It often looks like big information does nothing to profit consumers legitimately. Huge information is a particularly complex concept that might take a lifetime to define. They were just too much information to make a minimized one size fits all definition for a huge amount of insights that roll in from clients' profile, purchasing propensities, pursuing history, web-based media, corporations, photographs, videos, and for more. Consumers. The customer experience is that the biggest reason people do business with certain companies, whether or not they recognize it. In fact, nearly 80% of consumers have built on a transaction due one service experience. Consumer. Better products. Companies can use the knowledge to enhance products as they find out how they were using their products. Consumer. Coupon made for you. An email coupon or noticed a reduction on a billboard for that one things you have been researching and saving for over the previous couple of months. It's not just good luck, it's data. Big data connects you with the businesses you would like to try to business and therefore the deals you would like to use. Consumer. Protection for private information. Security measures are improving all the time, and that's because big data is there to stop hacking almost as soon as it starts. In most cases, your service provider are going to be ready to detect fraudulent activity and provide you with a warning to the difficulty within seconds. These significant advancements are a serious reason that today 88% of US citizens will trust online retailers and their personal information. Consumer reduced crime and saved lives. Roughly 75% of state IT experts accept that numerous information is fundamental in forestalling and overseeing wrongdoing today. It's the rationale that a ton of police divisions are currently either creating or utilizing persistent model to acknowledge where, when and the way crimes will happen. Manufacturing. Huge data is important in accomplishing profitability and productivity gains and revealing new experiences to drive development. With big data examination, makers can find new data and distinguished designs that empower them to enhance processes, increment flexibility, chain effectiveness and recognize factors that influence creation. Assembling undertaking, pioneer, comprehend and sticks. Honeywell Process Solutions KRC research study found that 67% of producing executives planned to take a position in business big data investigation even within the face of pressure to scale back cost. Obtaining asset, performance and efficiency gains. The worth of resource execution gains can cause big efficiency enhancement. Asset performance is merely improved on the edges. By an equivalent token, a discount in resource breakdown can lessen inefficiencies and stop losses. Consequently, manufacturers specialize in maintenance and carelessly advance resource execution. Machine logs contain information on resource execution. The Web of Things IoTs adds a replacement dimension with associated resources and sensors fit for estimating, recording and communicating execution continuously. This information is possibly of extraordinary incentive to makers, yet many are overpowered by the sheer volume of approaching data. Obtaining asset performance and efficiency gain. In addition to enabling historical data analysis, big data can derive predictive analyticals, which manufacturers can use to schedule predictive maintenance. This enables manufacturers to stop costly asset breakdowns and avoid unexpected downtime. Big data analyticals can have a big impact. The Honeywell KRC study found that big data analyticals can reduce breakdowns by up to 26% and cut unscheduled downtime by nearly 1/4, improving production processes and provide chains. In an increasingly global and interconnected environment, manufacturing processes and provide chains are long and sophisticated. Efforts to streamline processes and optimize supply chain must be supported by the power to look at every process, component and provide chain link in granular details. Big data analytical give manufacturers this capability. With the proper analyticals, manufacturers can zero in on every segment of the assembly process and examine supply chain in minute detail, accounting for individual activities and tasks. Making product customization feasible, manufacturing focused on production at scale and left product customization to enterprises servicing on niche market with the past. It did not add up the customized due to the time and energy involved to appeal to a smaller group of consumers. Big data analytics is changing that by making it possible and accurately predict the demand for customized products. By detecting changes in customer behavior, big data analytics can give manufacturers more time interval, making product customization feasible. The power to postpone production gives manufacturers new flexibility that permits them to require on made to order request. A streamlined manufacturing process isn't only beneficial in its title, it gives manufacturers how to take care of efficiency while performing customization. Manufacturers Big Data Toolkit. Data storage. The primary step in putting big data to figure is to process the power to collect and store information. Manufacturers use data storage tools to take care of vital information on equipment, production, processes and provide chain operations. Data they will analyze to drive improvements. Manufacturers Big Data Toolkit. Data cleanup tool. Big data arrives during a sort of formats from a variety of sources. It comes in structured and unstructured form. To render it usable, manufacturers need how to make sure of data quality and integrity. And now how to make sure of data quality and integrity, they have data cleanup tools that allow them to rework unrefined information into a readable, unified data set and multiple stakeholder can use. Big data analytics tool. Profiling tools, data mining tools, data mapping tools, data analysis, data visualization, data monitoring. Bottom line on big data. As the most successful manufacturing leaders already know, big data analyticals are not only longer, nice to have option for manufacturing enterprises. Companies must find how to enhance efficiency and generate insights. Those who are seeking a competitive advantage through big data analyticals should search for holistic solutions that seamlessly integrate and manage critical data. When evaluating big data solution, manufacturing leader should ask about capabilities specific to the sector. In case if you face any issue or concern regarding course, then you can contact us on 9319137138 and 93191333134. You can mail at query@cftedu.in. Thank you.